how to convert text to mail voice for free. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that, we will simply go to Google Chrome browser. Here you guys can search for low voice AI. So simply search for low voice AI. Now click on that first website. Here we will simply wait for some seconds. Here you guys will see that type of interface. But before everything, you need to sign up. For sign up, simply click on these three lines and sign up. Once you sign up, after that, you guys will simply paste to a script. Also, you guys can upload TXT PDF files. So I will simply write some things like I am a email voice. After that, you guys will select language, text, and you guys will click on voice. Here you guys will select male voice. For example, I am selecting Eric. After that, click on the narrate audio. Now wait for some seconds. Here we go, our voice was already displayed.
I am AI male voice.
For downloading this, simply click on that download option. Thanks for watching.